How to change your YouTube username. Let's get started. Launch a YouTube app. You will be directed to the home page. Now, navigate to the U page. Once you're over here, click on this option View Channel. You'll be directed to this page. Now click on this pen kind of icon. Now you'll be able to edit your username. Click on this option Handle. Now remove your old handle and then type in the new one that you want to set for your YouTube channel. This will be visible to all users on YouTube. Likewise, you can change your handle back within 14 days. This will also become your channel URL. Once you are done, click on the option Save and it will be updated. Likewise, click on the option Name. You are also able to change your name. This will also be visible to everyone. Go ahead and remove the old one and type in the new one, then click on Save. And just for that, you have changed your YouTube username. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.